Hey guys, it's your motherfucking boy, Kai Cox here. And today, you already know what's up. You already know what's about to happen. You already see Minecraft Steve over here. You already know what's happening. Yeah guys, we're going to be making how to make good odor outfits 2023 edition. In case you haven't been up to date with the latest trends, basically online dating on Roblox is fucking cancer now. It's just so fucking stupid. You see this outfit here? This is considered old gen. Back in 2018 or 2019, whenever I made that video, this was considered an actual fucking odor outfit with 2.0 and core blocks and maybe headless. I never thought I'd say this, but that's not just getting you any pussy, my guy. Not anymore. In order to be a fucking slayer, you're gonna want to first head over to the marketplace, right? And then when you are at the marketplace, go to accessories, and then you're gonna want to type out horns, and then you scroll down until you see holy fucking horse shit. There's a lot of fucking horns. You're gonna want to scroll down until you
3 days later.
You're gonna want to keep scrolling. Don't worry, we're almost there. I think.
So much later that the old narrator got...
So, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to do fucking just search up frozen fucking horns in the fucking catalog, and then you see these frozen horns of the frigid plains that cost 700,000 fucking Robux. You're gonna want to go ahead and just click on that, and you're gonna want to go buy them, okay? That's basically the only way you're gonna get pussy now if you have these fucking things. So you might not believe me, but you see this Valk I have? This isn't getting you shit. It maybe 2 years ago it would get you shit when I made the 2020 edition. This is not getting you jack shit anymore. Here, let's just clear everything and be a white nigga. The only thing that's going to get you like any pussy these days is if you just look like you want to kill yourself. You're gonna want to look like the most emo looking fucking dork you've ever fucking laid your eyes upon. If you're not into that shit, I don't blame you, because I fucking am not either. But like even if you see my hair here, I fucking bought a couple fucking emo hairs because literally everybody fucking wears that shit now. It's fucking it's nuts. Like you can't go into a game and see someone who's not wearing like somebody's fucking hair that looks like they just stuck their goddamn foot into a light socket. Basically the starter pack for online dating on Roblox. So what you want to do is you want to find something which is preferably black and white as a shirt. I'm just gonna look through what I got here. See this Gap hoodie? I got this shit from my friend Dylan. Shout out to Dylan, by the way. Dylan, I know you're watching this one day. And then you're gonna want these look cool. See it and it even fucking helps if you see one of these like emo ass pants. If you go to the group who created them, you'll probably find a metric fucking shit ton more of them. So you'll have just an unlimited supply of pussy slayer outfits, because apparently this is how you fucking slay pussy in 2023. If you're a broke ass hug, you might have this thing called headless head. So basically you just slap that on your fucking avatar and you're fucking done at this point. You really don't need anything else. We're not going to be stopping there. Even though 99.999% of fucking online daters have it now, because that's worth like nothing at this point. Oh, by the way, to keep in mind the rules for the rainbow Adidas and all that shit is not getting you, that shit's getting you dick, okay? No pussy. That shit is like fucking shit on a button, my guy. Like, I can't even say that with a straight face. Oh my god. So when you have this shit, you want to stick, you see this dark gray fedora and dark gray band fedora add-on? If you would just wear these two things together, you basically just have fucking classic fedora now. So you're basically just him. This is why limiteds are not worth jack shit anymore, because they're just all these Tourette's having UGC creators are just like, yeah, why don't I just upload a 1-to-1 replica of fucking red sparkle type fedora?
Tell yourself.
Okay guys, sorry I got a little bit carried away there. Anyway, you're gonna want to slap on this fake SCF. I think together it costs like a total of like 100 Robux. Anyway, so once you have that, you're gonna want to go into hair. Grunge boy hair in black and just slap that shit on your fucking head. Okay, that actually looks retarded. Never mind. I have quite a few emo hairs to choose from, so we'll start from this one. Cool boy hair. Okay, that one looks kind of not a little less retarded, but let's try this black messy front swoop. Literally, there's an infinite amount of UGC hairs now. Like, there's more fucking UGC hairs than there are fucking grains of sand on planet Earth. Okay, guys, so basically, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing because I don't know how to slay pussy on Roblox anymore because I'm too old for that fucking shit. So what I'm gonna do is take off this shit. Oh, by the way, before you even do any shit, you might as well just drop 17K on fucking core blocks, unless you want to be as a fucking Roblox virgin or some shit. Because if you don't have core blocks, like, what are you doing? So if you have any limiteds, you're gonna want to use them to their full fucking potential, because it'll drastically increase your chances of getting laid. So I'm gonna take this black iron bucket of fucking ultimate ponage and just slap that shit on my head quick. Oh, and also see these poisoned horns of the toxic wasteland? You wanna fucking equip those too, because that shit is going to get you laid in like 10 seconds. Once you have this shit on, you're gonna wanna go back to your hair and find something that you think looks good. And even if you don't think it looks good, it could still work. Alright, so now for faces. Because we're definitely gonna be we're totally not putting headless. You're gonna wanna see this meanie face here? This is a good one. Because this shit will likely get you laid. This face right here, meanie, it's 5,000 Robux. See playful vampire here. Some people use this shit. I don't use it I only use it for my YouTube signature outfit, but it doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look that good, but I'm gonna stick with meanie because I'm a pimp. I'm going to join a game so you guys can see this, so you guys will get a better look. Now, if I stood here for 0.5 seconds, I could probably just get my Roblox dick sucked. Like, look at this guy already wants to suck my dick, even though he's a man. He's a whole ass man and he wants me. Like, holy shit. Do you see this shit? This shit's not even, oh my god, another one. Holy shit, it's a whole sausage party in here. Oh my god, now there's a female over here. Look at me. Do you not see all the Roblox fucking pussy I'm getting? And the shit isn't even finished yet. You know that they want this fire cock. Okay guys, sorry, I'm getting a little sidetracked at all the pussy I'm getting, and this outfit's not even finished yet. Anyway, you want to slap on these black mousicles for like 50 Robux or something. You could swipe the white letters of distraction, which I'm not gonna do because I'm not a fucking loser. And by that, I'm just gonna take these off, and then you want to go see these Deathman headphones. You're just gonna want to equip those. These things look so rad. It's really hard to tell you exactly what you need because there's so much shit you could use. So I'm just going to put on what I think looks good. You guys can do whatever you want from this point on. I'm gonna slap Silverthorn antlers on here, and oh yeah, and you're gonna want a chain, okay? If you don't have a chain, you're getting literally no pussy unless your name is fucking Asipto. Then you're literally just born sexy. So there's 1,000,001 chains to choose from. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna equip this blocky iced out Cuban link gold, which is 100% real shit. And also remember 23 years ago when I said this Lapo Rose is gonna get you pussy? That shit still gets you pussy, so you might as well just throw that shit on. That does not look bad. It looks pretty rad. Extreme headphones. Buy those if you're gay, because that's a waste of your money. Stack your fucking bread. That extreme headphones isn't. It might get you some pussy, but probably won't get you a fucking whole goddamn living. See this bitch? This bitch probably has like 6 fucking Roblox sexually transmitted diseases. You're not gonna want that shit. If you own Violet Valkyrie, you're gonna want to delete that from your inventory because that shit's not getting you anything. Just a side note. Oh, by the way, bitches tend to like R15, so you're gonna want to equip R15. And the animations that I personally choose are the Arthro Idol, and then actually I probably just do everything Arthro. That's just slays for some reason. Alright, check that shit out, guys. Hey guys, it's me, it's your boy Kai Cox. I'm at the local fucking homeless shelter. Look at these broke ass motherfuckers. Holy fucking shit. So, this is basically how you slay pussy in 2023. I know. Shit changes. But, I have good news. Because there's still hope in terms of the 2.0s. I'm probably just, save this outfit maybe? Slay. How is that not appropriate? It's the word slay. Last time I checked, slay is not inappropriate. If you guys came here to see the fucking 2.0s, well, you're in fucking luck because we're fucking back. So what you're gonna want to do to make a good 2.0 outfit, Core Blocks Death Speaker leg, obviously that's fucking required by law that you have that shit. Roblox 2.0 left leg, 2.0 right arm, 2.0 left arm, and then for the torso, you could use the fucking 2.0 or zombie is what I use. This is the basic skeleton for a good 2.0 outfit. So what you want to do is you want to find something, 2 shirts and pants, a shirt and pants that fucking match. Let's see, man, I might theme it around pink since I have Fuchsia Fantastique now. But no, this shirt is only for blocky shit. Pink off-white. This shit looks decent. and then classic pants. By the way, yeah, you have to go to classic shirts and classic pants because, you know, there's this fucking dog shit ass layered clothing, which is totally not fucking retarded or anything. Pink fedora, spider archive, whatever the fuck. Just equip them shits. They have to be fucking, the shirt and the pants should match. They should be the same color. Equip any beautiful hair for beautiful people. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as it somewhat matches the outfit. If it's like a normal hair color, like brown, black, or blonde, you could whatever the fuck. But I'm gonna wear this shit. And then once you have this shit, or something that matches your shish, you're going to want to fucking equip that hoe. Okay, guys. So as you can see, I got my goddamn $1 million hair on. And then you go to accessories. You're gonna want to go ahead and go to this website called Roleplace. See this Ice Valkyrie here for 1,049 USD. You're gonna want to go ahead and buy that. And then once you buy that and it's in your inventory, slap that hoe on. I think I'm gonna change the shirt because the shirt doesn't quite match the color of the hair and the fucking jeans, so that looks better. Okay. Alright, after this, after you have a hair and some sort of rich, expensive ass hat, then you're gonna want to go and equip some shit to go with it. I'm going to equip the Ultimate Pink Victory because it's one of my all-time favorite hats. You're gonna want to equip some sort of antlers. Alright, not bad. Oh, also, if you own a Valkyrie helm, which like probably 0% of you guys do, but if you do, you can go to see these embeddings. There's the UGC creators made add-ons for limiteds. So you see how the purple here, you can change the color of that shit now because the power of UGC. So you could just, I'm just gonna put a pink there so it matches a little bit more, and then I'm gonna reset, and then you see, boom, pink. It looks fucking so cute. Look at this bitch. Does she even have headless? $10, bro. Doesn't even have headless. Oh yeah, ghost hands, dynamic head, fake ass headless. Like, that's what I fucking hate about UGC. Like, you could just get free headless, or not free, but like cheap ass headless. It's basically free at this point. They're basically fucking giving it away. You're gonna want to equip some Puss Slayer face. So, like I said, Stitch face. Last time I said Stitch face is kind of out of style. Basically 2.0s as a fucking whole are out of style now. Which I never thought I'd fucking say that, or I never thought I'd even see the day where that was like, you know, that would happen. But unfortunately, 2.0's online data outfits got replaced with this fucking shit. This fucking cacophony. Like, I mean, this guy isn't slaying any pussy because he's poor. Or maybe he does, I don't know, that's fucking his business. Personally, I ain't fucking doing all that. So, I'm gonna equip my expensive ass meanie face. And by that, I mean I'm gonna unequip it and equip Stitch face because that shit looks way better. And then, you're gonna wanna go to face accessories and find something that looks good with your shit. So I'm just gonna go to the marketplace, go to face accessories. Anyway, I'm gonna buy these because I'm a fucking real OG and shit. Okay, let's fucking. Alright, that looks. I still see my fucking unibrow, which pisses me off, so now I have to fucking change the face. Let's see what fucking meanie looks like. Okay, it fucking. God damn it! I can still see the fucking unibrow. And that's basically a turn off for Roblox hoes. Okay guys, so basically this is a 2.0 outfit. You could add a lot more shit to it. Give it your own personal fucking touch, you know what I'm saying? Because you could fucking do that because there's 1,000,001 accessories for you to customize with now. Whatever you want to add to it, do whatever the fuck you want. It's your outfit. You can go crazy with it. Like, look at these fucking brokies. Like, holy shit. Look at this guy with fake extreme headphones. Like,
you're broke! You're fucking poor!
I would buy them, but unfortunately I do sleep with women, so I won't be doing that. Anyway, I'm gonna have to seclude myself from these poor people quick, so I'm going over here. Okay, this PV is not fucking going well with me. Let's try fucking headless to see what that looks like. Okay, that. I guess I'm gonna fucking do that because I just can't find a face that goes with the shades, and I'm too fucking lazy to find something else that goes with it. Anyway, guys, as you can see, there's no Roblox bitches all up on my dick because it's 2023 and yeah, this shit just doesn't get you pussy anymore. What the fuck? Yo, bitch, hold still so I can see your fucking goddamn long ass nails. Like, What the fuck? Do people find that attractive now? Because I fucking certainly don't. Holy fucking shit. How are you gonna have fingernails on Roblox? It's fucking Roblox. Anyway, guys, so basically that's how you fucking make ODER outfits on Roblox now. There's not really ODER outfits as much as they are just fucking everybody's outfits at this point. Because everybody wears them. It's a fucking metric shit ton of... It's fucking stupid. But back in the day, you'd need like 6 hairs for it to look good. Now you only need 1, which frees up all these accessory slots for you to slap on more garbage. So I'll fucking end it here. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And leave a comment saying, Kai Cox, shut the fuck up, you broke ass. Anyway, guys, this is your boy, Kai Cox. Probably gonna go just jump off a bridge or something. I don't know.